Okay, so today we are talking about breakup structure. I'm sorry if my camera looks a little shitty today. It's very dark out here. The light is not working for some reason. I have my brightness all the way up on my MacBook and we're going to have to make do with that. Well, let's get right into it. What is a breakup structure? A breakup structure is a formation within the market that indicates if a trend is going to continue or if a trend is breaking and reversing in the opposite direction. How does that help us? If we are in a long position and we see multiple breakup structures to the upside, that will help us stay in our long position and understand that our long position is going to continue playing out. Another way it can help us is if we are looking for our entry and we're looking for shorts, a breakup structure can indicate we're reversing and we can take our entry. Now that we know what a breakup structure is and how it helps us, how do we find a breakup structure? A breakup structure is going to look something like this. We have our higher low and our lower low. And when we are looking at breakup structures that indicate that the downtrend is going to continue, we want to look for our lower lows to get swept while creating new lower lows. Now, this will be our break of structure right here, and really fucking tight. But yeah, that's our break of structure right there. Now, if we're looking for a break of structure to the upside, and we have our higher low and our higher high, we want to see higher highs getting swept and forming new higher highs, and that will indicate a continuation of an uptrend. Let's get all of this going. Now that all of that is gone, we are going to determine how we will find a breakup structure that indicates a change in trend direction. Say we are in an uptrend, we're creating higher highs and higher lows. And then once we create our last higher high, we then break structure to the downside. We can see multiple breakup structures to the upside indicating our uptrend and our continuation of our uptrend, but then we create this last higher high and we break structure on a higher low while then creating a lower low, and that would be a breakup structure indicating a change in trend. And now, where can we find all of this stuff in the market? We're in our 1 hour chart, which is okay. We can find this in every single chart. We're going to find a nice little uptrend. A breakup structure in an uptrend is when the market closes above a previous high. Now, what makes a high? A move up and a move down. So we're going to be looking for a move up and a move down to create our high. And once we find that, we can see breakup structure right there. This move up and that move down, creating another high. Another breaking structure. This move up, this move down, create another high, and another breakup structure. And now, where does the market reverse at? We can see all of these highs and all of these breaks of structure. And now, where does the market reverse at? Where do we stop creating highs and finally break structure to the downside? That would be right here. This indicates that we are reversing the market, and that's what we did. We started moving lower and lower, and then we took liquidity here, broke structure to the upside, and continued moving higher. But anyways, that's breakup structure for you guys. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like, make sure to subscribe, and y'all be safe.